Here is my off-road mower so far. I've actually put 18-inch tires on the front, and they were actually from that red tractor there. Still the stock tires in the back. They're 20-inch. I'm hoping someday to upgrade them to 22-inch ATV tires. And this is the latest mod. Put a 5-inch pulley on the transaxle. It's actually pretty fast now, so I really just wanted it to play off-road, so I probably won't try to make it any faster than it is. I do want to paint the rims to match. Probably the same as the gray color in the back, or maybe a little bit darker gray to match the body, or black. I do want to add a gas pedal to it, and probably a few other little things, but other than that, I just want to leave it the way it is. So, alright, I'll start it up and take it for a ride and show the top speed. Well, there it is. I used the GPS speedometer the other day when I first put the pulley on, and top speed I hit was 15, but it averaged about 12 miles an hour, 15 on the smoothest parts of the yard and on the road. But it's actually really fast for what it is. It actually feels a lot faster than it is. I really don't think I want it going much faster than that, and it's still pretty good. It's got a lot of power in third gear, and seems to still climb hills pretty good and things. So, alright, there it is.